Hello, fellow teachers. Maybe you are a bit like me. You have a few lectures and videos on your YouTube channel that you've used in your teaching. Maybe you have a tendency, like me, to record a bit too long videos, and that students may find it a bit difficult to locate specific parts in your videos without scanning through maybe 20, 30 minutes of your videos. So this will be a very brief tutorial about how to make chapters or timestamps in your already recorded videos. So let's take a look at this video I have here. This is in Swedish, but that doesn't matter too much, I hope. It's about EWMA control charts, and it's 23 minutes long. And that's quite an extensive video without any chapters and or timestamps for students to be able to locate your um, messages easily. So what I do, um, I use a simple notepad, as you can see here above, and then I'll just start watching myself, which is not that fun, of course, but here you see the video. I will go through it and locate specific parts of my video that I think are, good modules or main messages that I want to make it more easy to find. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to have a first timestamp for this to work. So 0.00, this is the first timestamp, and um, I will just simply type here in my notepad that this will be in Swedish introduction. Usually that's how you start a video, I guess. Uh, but you need to have this first timestamp, and then I already notice that at after 17 seconds I start talk about uh, history or when EWMHRs were first launched. So that would be historique. Yeah, and I can finish that, and then I'll simply watch through the video and skim through it a bit and see where I can find the modules I want to make timestamps on. And when I'm done, it might look something like this. So these are quite a few timestamps, and you see these are all in Swedish. But let's say the first is the introduction, and then uh, I have some. After 2 minutes, I have a definition, might be useful, I guess, and so on, and then a summary at the end. So here are my timestamps that I want to apply to my video. So at this point in time, I just press redigera video or edit video, I guess, in English language. I will press this one, and then in the description part of your video, you simply copy this part and paste it into the description. It might make sense to call these ones chapters, and you might want to condense this a bit like this, um, or not, but I have quite a few of these bullets or chapters, so it makes sense to condense. And then when I'm done, I just hit save or spara. Might take a while, and when you're done, you can just simply check this, how this looks, by clicking your video link again, and hopefully this would have worked out. So now, as you can see, this timeline in the video has now been chopped up into these time segments, and you can also see the chapter names like the EWMA definition here. So this might make it a bit more easy for your students to locate certain parts in your videos that they want to revisit or look at again. So that was a quick tutorial on how to make it, or how I do it with my notepad, simply just watching myself again. Not that fun, but hey, it's an easy task anyway. So um, thanks for listening and good luck with the timestamps. Bye bye.